Sup guys, over here. In this video we're gonna be talking about GameFi project 2040World, more specifically about closed beta of this project. As always, links are in description, but follow them at your own risk. So for starters, let's briefly go through the official website and then we're gonna talk about the closed beta part. So the game is play to earn, sort of the third person shooter. The fact that it's play to earn doesn't really excite me. I'm more interested about the gameplay itself, to be honest, but nevertheless, you can check gameplay on the website. Also, I think they have the YouTube channel. Here you can check some gameplay, models. So as far as I understand, you control the avatar and there is two versions of the avatars. The first one is the paid version, second one is going to be the free version. Obviously the paid one has some benefits. Then there is some description of drop pods that create those avatars. Then we have description of the in-game economy, the token. We're not going to go in depth into these systems. If you want, you can check the white paper. Here we're mainly focused on closed beta, the roadmap. As if we go to 2023, we can see that in Q2 and Q3 we have a closed beta and then closed multiplayer beta, and then also in Q3 should be open multiplayer beta. Then some funding rounds. So they raised roughly 1.5 mil in angel round, then 300k from NFT sales and 1 mil in private round. And for 2023 there should also be a private community round in July, August, and the public round in August. Then we got team, and you can also click here and see the full team. These are just lead team members, I assume. What I like here is that everybody has a public profile on the LinkedIn that you can check. As far as I understand, the majority of team members are Russian. Also in the Discord there is an English section and then Russian section. Then we got partners here and the FAQ that you can check with the most popular questions. And then we have the form to sign up for the beta. So why is this time sensitive? Because the current round of invitations is gonna go live on July 11th, or at least it should go live on July 11th. So before July 11th we need to register. I already registered. Here just put in your name, email address, you submit, then you need to verify your email, connect the Discord, and they will email you the one-time password. Then you log in with that password and you just change password to your password. So pretty much the straightforward process of old Web 2 ways. So everybody should be familiar with that one. And also during the registration you will need to put specifications of your PC. However, that's not all. We also need to go to the Zilli. There's gonna be a couple quests here. Before this one, where you need to submit your beta email, obviously after you registered on the website. Pretty standard stuff. Again, follow Twitter, join Discord, and then you submit your beta email. This one is reviewed manually, so you'll have to wait. And also once that is reviewed, you will have the access to the remaining quests in this page. Also, once you're in your profile on the website, you can access the shop and you should be able to buy various types of items with the Zilli points. I assume they will add more Zilli stuff because there's not much there currently, and also more stuff in the shop potentially. But the way it works, you can basically buy boxes and buy keys for these boxes. And also regarding beta, as I understand it, the whole point of the beta, besides obviously testing itself and feeling the game itself, the gameplay, if you're looking more on the benefit side, this would be just farming boxes in game. And it's also been mentioned that you'll be able to either sell this later or like transfer that on the main net. So either way, some benefits are expected. So again, you can start doing quests on Zilli first of all, but our main goal here is try to get into this closed beta so you have the access to the game early on. That's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.